Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today SMS Demolition's here, so there is going to be some truck stuff. But I do also know for sure that Oscar's coming today. So he'll be here really soon, and there's gonna be some truck stuff and some fun stuff too. So probably gonna be some biking. So see you then. Sorry guys, it was just the temptation to film the front of it just for a second. So, yeah. Hey guys, we're next to SNS Demolition, and Oscar's here now. So, we're just gonna do some biking stuff, because, I don't know, we don't really know what else to do. And I know you guys don't want to stare at diggers for 10 minutes. So so we're just gonna go do some jumps and wheelies and stuff. Alright, let's go. Go, what are you waiting for? Go! Oh my God.
What are they doing? Why does he keep on dropping the root like his stuff? He landed it!
He landed what?
He dropped the root and then it landed on the, like, oh that didn't land. Like it landed on the bottom part.
Nice. We're not doing that much. We already skipped through all the biking and stuff because it's hard to bike with while you're filming. As you can tell, as of now, it's a pretty slow day right now.
No one has came yet and tried to bother us. Maybe they have.
I know those bullies. I think we filmed maybe one of. Nah, I deleted that off. Yeah, I'm surprised the bullies haven't come today because they come on their little daily walk every day, and then they end up getting in a fight with us.
But we never do anything. We just say okay.
I know, right? Okay, guys, so I just watched them start the truck. I should have filmed it. Oh, they hear that. Why don't you hear that kitty purr? Yeah. Oh, he's gonna drive it, I think. He's revving it for me. Yeah, he said he'd rev it for me, so that's what he's doing. Yeah. What the hell are we doing? Oh, he's gonna back up. Yeah. All right, guys. So, I still don't know that guy's name, the boss, but he just took a picture and his Kubota skid steer. I'll show it to you right now. Yeah, so, he has some good jams going in there. It's got like a Bose sound system. It's awesome bass, and it was really cold AC in that thing. He's got a nice rig going on there. And then he's got that dump truck too. He's a really nice guy. I've talked to him in the past, and he gave me a Gatorade, like a full big bottle of Gatorade. He's really nice. And probably because I'm really nice to him, that's probably why. So it's just awesome guy, guys. So if you need a house demolished, check out S&S Demolition. So I'll give you the phone number just in case you want to check him out. So alright guys, so I told you I'll show you the phone number, so there's the phone number right there and the S&S Demolition sign. There you guys go. Guys, I don't see S&S Demolition every day. They're only in the neighborhood some, but when they're here, I'm right next to them, kind of watching them and stuff. So that the boss just don't know his name. He just let me in his Kubota, his skid steer. And we've been building up that trust, and he knows that I'm not gonna do anything bad. So I know it looks like the kind of job that doesn't pay very well, but people pay a lot of money to these guys, and they get $600 a job, and they do at least one job a week. So that's $600 a week. How do you think he can afford the tires and the equipment? All this. So this job pays really well, just in case you want to know. So maybe one day I can work for these guys, and they got good pay, pays well, and the guys here are really nice to me, and we've just been building up that trust. So maybe one day. He's about to start it. All these trucks start up so well. Alright guys, S&S just left, so I think we're done filming S&S for a while, because I think there was their last day. It's only their second day, but it's probably also their last.
Day?
Yeah.
No, because they have to finish up. They have to get there.
They're going to be here tomorrow in the morning some, but I think they're going to be gone in the afternoon, so I can't film them. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. So, you're awesome. No one can ever replace you. Have a great day.